On a dark and rainy night, a young woman dressed in black mourning clothes got caught in the rain near the entrance of Aoyama Cemetery and hailed a taxi. She had her coat pulled over her head to keep herself dry, as she didn't have an umbrella. The taxi driver couldn't get a good look at her face. He assumed she was visiting the family grave. In a sad voice, she asked to be taken to an address in an uptown neighborhood. Upon arrival, she said she just wanted to linger a few minutes. The driver couldn't see anything but the silhouette of a young woman staring out the taxi window. After idling in silence for about 5 minutes, the girl asked to go to another address. When the driver arrived at a beautiful home in an upscale neighborhood, he turned around to collect his fare, but the woman was gone. Only a puddle of rainwater remained where she'd been sitting. Perplexed, the driver rang the doorbell and explained his situation to the owner of the house. Without asking the cost, the owner of the house handed him the exact change. The taxi money was already prepared on a small table beside the door. The man apologized for the inconvenience and said the passenger was his daughter. One rainy night, she was killed by a car while crossing the street on her way to see her boyfriend. Although they buried her in the family graveyard at Aoyama Cemetery, for the past 5 years, whenever it rained, the dead daughter hailed a taxi to visit her fiancé's apartment and then her family home.